Boom! Welcome back to another video, everybody. And this one we're going to be talking about the Facebook Pixel, what it is, how it can help you in your business. So the Facebook Pixel, the term comes from back in the day when they were first getting started with all this website analytics and all this stuff. They would put a one-by-one picture on somebody's website, and every time they went to the website, somebody went to the website, that pixel would fire, so to speak, or that image would load, and then they would know that this many people visited the website. So today it's not a one-by-one picture, it's a piece of code that you put in the back end of your website, but it serves the same purpose. It can count how many people have gone to your website, how many have gone to which pages on your website, and can help you create awesome retargeting campaigns from those website visitors. So that's what the Facebook Pixel is for. It matches every website visitor with their Facebook or Instagram profile and allows you to show ads to them, as well as helps the machine learning algorithm of Facebook learn more about what types of ads should be shown to what types of people. And it's a really amazing tool. So I'm excited to get into this video and show you what it is. So let's hop into my computer and I'll show you what to do. Okay, so here I am in the Facebook Business Manager. If you haven't created an ad account already, or even haven't created a business manager, this is what you're going to need to do first. I have a video that I'll link down in the description on my channel that teaches you how to do this. But if you already have this created, then you're going to come in to business settings. I'm just going to show you how to create an ad account if you don't have one already. So you come here to add accounts, you click on add, create new account, and add account name. I'm just going to call this Keaton Walker Business 2 because I already have one called Keaton Walker Business, and this will be used for my business. And I'm just going to assign myself to this. I've got some people on my team over here, but I'll assign, and now we have another ad account. So with this fresh ad account, I'm going to go in and come back here to Business Manager. I'll click Events Manager. And here I am at Keaton Walker Business 2. So look up here to make sure you have the right ad account selected here. There it is. So I'm going to add a new data source, Facebook Pixel. And I won't actually be adding this to any of my landing pages or website right now, so I'm not going to put my website here, but you would. So I'll click Continue. And this is just a reminder that you have one ad account per pixel and one pixel per ad account. So you shouldn't be creating lots of pixels for your ad account. Just have one ad account and then have one pixel, and you can put that same pixel on your website, on your landing pages, on anything else that you're creating. So you'd come in here to manually add pixel code to website. If you're using a partner integration, you can do this as well. So you'd come here, like let's say you're using, I don't know, Kajabi or WordPress. I'm using WordPress. That's what I have my website hosted on. So you can follow like all of these tools here, or you can just come back here and manually add pixel code yourself. That's what I'm going to teach you how to do. So this number one, install base code on website. You'll just copy this to the clipboard. I don't have any idea what this code means, but right here it says Facebook pixel code and then end Facebook pixel code. And the instructions here say copy and paste the pixel code to the bottom of the header section of your site, just above the head tag. And this where it says like, it has the greater than sign and then the slash and then the head, that means it's ending the header tag. And so you want to put it right before it ends. So I'm going to come in here to WordPress. If you use WordPress, it's really common. You'll come in here to Appearance, Theme Editor, and then I'm going to go to Theme Header. So then you would come down, all the way down here by the header, and you would paste this in there. I'm not going to leave it in there, but that's what you would do. And then just make sure that you click Update File. And another use case would be with ClickFunnels. Is like really popular landing page software. I love it. But you'd come here to ClickFunnels, you click here, go to Funnels, and then click on the funnel that you want, and you'll see a page just like this. So coming here to Settings, you can just paste this in the head tracking code here, and you can drag this down there. So ClickFunnels automatically puts it into the place where it needs to be. And that's all you need to do for ClickFunnels. You'd come down here and click Save and Update Settings. And something really cool that you can add to your browser if you have Chrome is something called the Facebook Pixel Helper. So when you download this Facebook Pixel Helper, you can go to a certain website and it'll tell you whether they have a Facebook Pixel on that website. So let's say we go to like smithortho.com. Guessing this is an orthodontic website. You come here when this fully loads. So these people do not have a Pixel. But if we come, let's see, a website that I know would have one, like Weebly.com, a website builder. Come here and it loads. So this Facebook Pixel Helper is telling me that they have a Facebook Pixel on their website. And then I can see they're tracking that I'm viewing their page and that it's an external page. And my microdata is automatically connected. So now I might be seeing ads from Weebly because I came to their website and then I left and I didn't buy anything. So that's how you put the Facebook Pixel on there. Now I'm going to show you how to set up an ad that will help you get more customers coming into your business. So right here, we can use Facebook's event setup tool. I'm not going to use it in this video because it's not going to work on my website. You could do this if you're a local business. It's really not that big of a deal. You just don't have enough traffic coming into your website to really matter. Like you might have like 1, 2, 3 people submitting something every single day, like submitting a form on your website. And what this does is it allows you to exclude or to count the people that come to your website using Facebook Analytics. So if somebody comes to your website and submits a form, then you could exclude that person from your ads. But because it's such a small amount, they might end up seeing your ads anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. But if you're running an e-commerce store and you're making thousands of sales every day, or you're selling info products and you want to make sure that you're showing the right ads to the people who watched a certain percentage of your webinar or went all the way through your webinar, then that's something that you would definitely want to use. But as a local business, not that big of a deal again. So once you're done setting that up, you'll come up here, you'll click on this ad account here, and you can create an ad. And what we can do is click traffic, just click continue here. This is asking us to add our payment information. And you can enter all of this for your local area. I've got plenty of other videos. I'll link to them in the description about how to do what's on here. But when you come down here to the bottom, it's going to invite you to do Facebook Pixel. So that it's telling me that my events manager is not active, which is because I didn't set that up. So once you have your Facebook Pixel set up, what you can do is come here and where it says under create new audience, you're going to click create new, and you can create a custom audience, and then you can select website. And you can select include people who meet any of the following criteria or all of the following criteria. So let's say any of the following criteria, and we're going to say all website visitors in the past 180 days, or you can even go up to 365, I believe. Oh no, 180 is the highest. So you can say all website visitors in the last 180 days. Mine's red right here. Yours will be green because you'll have actually set it up. And then you'll come into your audience and you can say website visitors past 180 days. Create audience. So you've created that audience, and now when you show your ad, it's going to be just to the people who have visited your website in the past 180 days. So you already know they've engaged with your brand, they know who you are. And one thing that I like to add as well is editing here the location, just because some people might be visiting, like somehow came to your site some other way than just like finding you on Facebook or Instagram or SEO. And so what I do is just target the state. So let's say I'm in Virginia, I would put the state in there. That way nobody outside of the state of Virginia that visits my website is going to see my ads. And that's obviously for a local business. If you have an e-commerce store, it'd be much different. So after that, you'd come in here, you'd create your ad here. I've got plenty of other videos on my channel that talk about this. Make sure that you have everything selected correctly there. Create your ad and click confirm, and then that's going to show your ad to those people who have visited your website in the past 180 days, which is pretty awesome. You can also do something like this, like create an exclusion audience, and you'd have to create new custom audience. So you'd come in here to website, and then you can say all website visitors in the last 90 days. So website visitors 90 days. So now you're excluding, you just told Facebook I want to, we have to click exclude, and then we'll click last 90 days. So we just told Facebook we want to include everyone in the last 180 days, but we want to exclude everybody in the last 90 days. So this would only be showing people from the last 180 days to 90 days, but in the last 80 days, it's not going to show them this ad. So you might create a different ad just from days 1 to 90, and then this ad would go to people from days 91 to 180. So Facebook Pixel is super powerful. Even if you're not running ads, I would recommend having it on your website because it allows you to what's called seasoning your pixel, and that will help you down the line if you're ever running ads, because your ad account will know what types of people to show your ads to, and you'll have a really big retargeting audience depending on the amount of people coming to visit your website. So really awesome tool. Again, if this video was helpful to you, please leave a like to support the channel. And if you have any other questions, I check my YouTube comments every day to make sure that I'm answering the questions that are coming in. So please leave your comments down below with questions and I'll totally answer them. So with that said, I hope this video was helpful for you. I know this was really confusing for me in the beginning. Please leave any comments down below and I'll see you in the next video.